It's day 11 of our 90-day challenge, and today we're touring a Highland home that honestly checks almost every box. This is a 274 model on a massive 74-foot lot, a single story with an unexpected dining and game space that makes the layout feel huge. If you're hunting for a smart floor plan, then keep watching this video.
All right, guys, so here we are in the 274, and again, this is one of Patrice and I's favorite floor plans by Highland. It's a single story on a 74-foot lot. You can get these things with 4-car garages, the whole 9 yards. So if you're looking for a big house, this is the product that you're looking for. And right on the right side of the house, this is your office. Again, really good size, high ceilings, love the windows pouring in that natural light. Really just kind of like your perfect size to have a little more not entertaining, but a little more sitting area and desk, or for those that need 2 spaces or 2 people working in it. Now, as you come on down here, you'll notice that you got a full bath, as well as, look at this room. Look at how big the ceilings are. I mean, we haven't really talked about it yet, but this, all one floor. This isn't a 2-story home. This is, you've got what are those, 13-foot ceilings?
I don't even know. Yeah, very tall.
You got big closets. You've got solid core wood doors throughout. I mean, this just ups the game a little bit. Now, if this floor plan is not for you, you want that bigger lot, Highland's gonna be your best bet. Like I said, these are 74-foot lots, and they've got 25 different plans. You heard me correctly, 25, ranging anywhere from 3,000 square feet all the way up to 5,000. Now, this secondary bedroom has its own ensuite.
Wow.
And then look at this. Now, would this be perfect either for like an older child, or even,
Parents
a parent,
with you.
or what have you?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, this is a great, look at these things. Look at the ceilings and how high they are. I just love how grand everything is.
Yeah.
And then you got,
Good sized closet.
all right, so let's go through here. You come through. Now you've got the dining area. I love how it's right in the middle of the home. I like this bar area. I would do this so I could picture your wine fridge right here. Got your wine selections just going, flowing, entertaining. This is an entertainer's dream. It's even got raised ceilings because it's got the coffer ceiling right there. It's really nice. Now, before we head off into the main part of the house, I want to come through here and show you another secondary bedroom. Really good size. It's got its own ensuite.
Wow, look at this. It's just amazing how tall these ceilings are, and so it makes this room just feel so much bigger.
Now, one of the things that people have been waiting and asking for us, when are we going to be able to get back into Cambridge? When are we going to be able to get back into Cambridge? They just released some more lots. I mean, this is fairly new, over the last month or 2 that they've even released that. Before that, you had to wait for quite a while. So this is a huge opportunity to get back in. Some of the best lots in the entire subdivision is in this phase. Now you come through, you've got this nice fireplace, and look at this great room.
Hold on, let me show the fireplace. They even have it on today.
Because of the size of this house, you can put in your sliders, and it doesn't take away from the furniture placement or anything else.
And those are the 2-door sliders, so those are a little bit different, but they're tall.
But you have the option to do either one.
Yeah.
But what I do love is look at this. If you can kind of see it from this kitchen, from over in those sliders.
I will step back.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
You've got 20-foot ceilings all throughout. You've got high-end, top-end cabinetry, appliance package, everything that you want, you're going to be able to get with this Highland, this home. You've got a nice Costco approved snack closet.
Love all the cabinets up there, and I like the way they took the tile all the way to the top too. That looks very nice.
And then here is your breakfast area. This is kind of perfect. Right now, this time of the year, whenever we do these model home tours and we come across something like this, You've got, I always think of when I was a kid, I would be here, this would be the kids' table, and then the formal dining would be, you know, where all the parents go. I don't know, does
Yeah.
everybody do that? I don't know.
I don't know either, but yeah, that's how we were too.
But look how big this space is.
Yeah, this is a massive, it's just a very comfortable space too. I love it.
Yeah. Anyway, let's go into the primary. And you guys got to stay because you won't believe, you know my favorite part of every house. And I absolutely love what they did over there. But look at this. You've got the bump out, and this room doesn't even need it, it's so big. But it's nice to have, right? I mean, it just brings in all these, what you're getting is 2 more windows,
Yeah.
right? And it just brings in so much more light.
Holy moly. Yeah, this room is just massive.
Look at, they've got a full-size desk over here.
On the other side of the bed. They do.
I mean, this is how big this space is. I mean, it's
Yeah.
giant. Look at these barn doors, how, you know, come through here. I'm telling you guys, I love split vanities. You know, it's not for everybody, but for me, I love it. You got a soaking tub and a big walk-in shower.
It's got, doesn't have a bench or anything, but it's got the little shelves that you could put your shampoo on and everything.
Yep.
Very nice. Okay.
Look at this. You've got your own vanity makeup section.
Oh, that's really nice. I do like that a lot. And it's
telling
got
you.
the mirror above it, which is what you need.
It's hard for me to, I love this house so much, it's hard for me to even pick which kind of feature I like the best. But look at this closet.
Yeah, this is pretty nice, this closet.
This closet is huge, Patrice. You're not even doing it any justice. This thing is giant.
I know. Let me try to get over here so I can really get another angle and people can really get an idea. Check
Yeah.
this out. Picture all your clothes in here.
Here are your gowns, Patrice.
Yeah,
right?
all those gowns.
All those formals that we're
Yes.
going to.
Yeah, this is a really nice bathroom. I do love it.
All right, so before we hit my favorite part of the house, we're gonna walk past the patio so we can kind of see that as well. Again, we're not going out there. It's windy today and kind of cold. So, but these are 74-foot wide lots by 130 standard. And then they have oversized ones where you can put 4th car garages. You can do pretty much anything you want. Look at that patio. It's got the fireplace, exactly how I'd want it. I'd put down the screens. I've got the TV right there. And then look at how much space you have.
Very cool.
But you can see how windy it is.
Yeah, and it's a good size yard.
Yeah.
Definitely.
All right, guys, you ready for it?
Ready.
Okay, come on through here. Look at this. This is the game area. Now you got this pool table, legal size pool table, and it's big and it's not dwarfed. You're not running into spaces. You can actually play pool in this thing. And what I love about it is that this is the entertainer's part. You can block off this with your solid core doors and it's complete private, right? 20-foot ceilings, you've got all these TVs, you've got everything flowing. People are playing games, you got your bar right here, and then it flows right into your media room.
Yeah, I like the fact that you can close that off. That's very nice.
Yeah, and you can even close this off if you wanted to, right? You could build this to where it is just strictly just a big media room, but I like it when it's open like this because this is just an entertainer's dream right here.
Yeah.
You know,
Very
you have a
nice.
100-inch TV, watching TV, playing pool during commercials or whatever the case may be. I don't know if you guys are the same, but anytime my team is playing and they're in that stressful situation during commercials, I'm up, I gotta be fidgeting,
Yeah.
you know.
You don't stop moving.
I don't stop moving, so this would be perfect for our setup. So I love this. Now, again, in our opinion, Cambridge Crossing, the developer, everything about this community is top notch. They do Mustang Lakes, they do Parks at Wilson Creek, and they do Cambridge Crossing. So again, this is, to me, is the most underrated community in DFW right now that has homes and lots that you can actually build on. So again, if that is something that you're interested in, hit that dream home form, give us a call. We have been there, done that. We relocated ourselves 20 years ago. We have helped hundreds of people do the same. We've helped lots of people move into Cambridge Crossing alone, and we are here to help you, be your resource and be your advocate. So until the next time, I'm Andy.
And I'm Patrice.
Take care.